Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Also here the retracement to the downside was not that long. Normally I would have expected a stronger move down. I mean, we have currently no sign really that this retracement is over in this wave 2 here in green, but I think we have to just adjust things a little bit, and due to the impulsive nature of what's going on here and also here, we have a couple of options to consider now for Ethereum. So first option is that this wave count is still going to play out, yeah? That we still expect here the wave 2 to play out to the downside. I don't think that retracement, that was already it for a wave 2. If I look at the overall wave count here, we haven't even reached the 23.6% fib level. Yeah. No, let me just adjust that. Where do I need to start? No, I need to start here in a second. But even here, yeah, we've only reached the 23.6% fib level. It's normally for a wave 2. I'd be surprised if this was already the wave 2 here. Yeah. I would much rather move things along a little bit, say the wave 2 is still coming, that this was, let me think, this was the, no, that the wave 5 is still coming, the wave 1 is still coming, this the 3, this the 4, and that in here we have another 5 wave move in itself. Can you see that? From wave 2 to wave 3, this is another 5 wave move that we can count. And for example, this is a 1, a 2, a 3, 4, 5. Completing this wave 3, then we've got the wave 4 down. That would suggest why we're only retracing so little. And then now the wave 5 here to the upside. So not much is changing, just the retracement is delayed a little bit. That would suggest in the next push to the upside, we should get into my target range. Let's see if this is gonna happen in today's trading day, yeah. And if we take a look at ideal targets now for this wave 5, well, what can we do? We can calculate, for example, or we can take the length of the wave 1, and where is that? That is just start that from here. Length of the wave 1, adding it to the wave 4 low, and then we've got a few targets. The first target is the 61.8% relationship. That would take us to 2062, pretty much to the first level in my target range here for the larger wave 5. And then the next target is the $2,157 level. That is the 1-to-1 ratio, and that would overall, in my opinion, have a good chance here to complete the wave 5. Afterwards, when this wave 5 in yellow is complete, it will complete the higher level wave 1, and we will then come down in a wave 2. Yeah, so that this wave 2 correction is delayed. It gives us a little bit more chance to prepare, and that's how I would see it at the moment. It could of course be that still that scenario is playing out that I had on the chart before, but this makes more sense to me. And this scenario here will be confirmed as soon as we get above $2,029. Yeah, and the other scenario that we had on the chart before, yeah, that will be confirmed if we break below 1912. Yeah. So okay, and overall, generally for Ethereum, still 2 options on the chart. Again, this is here currently what I talked about, my primary expectation, where we've seen the wave 1 to the upside done, the wave 2 done, the wave 3 of the impulse done, the wave 4 done. We are now in the wave 5 in various subwaves. It will be a very long wave 5. And after that wave 5 is complete, it would complete a higher level wave 1 or higher degree wave 1. And then from somewhere in the target range, we should come down in an ABC pattern in a wave 2 correction. So this would be my primary expectation. We need to be aware that this target range for wave 1, which is up there, yeah, that can still move quite a bit to the upside. Given depending on how impulsive we're now doing things here and how strong, we could push quite a lot higher. I mean, August is historically quite a good month in crypto. September is quite a bad month. Seasonalities in crypto play a role, yes. I think in the last 10 years, only 3 Septembers were actually good, and they weren't very good. They were only alright. So October is then historically another good month. So it could very well be we're playing out this 5th wave throughout August, and then we come down in September in this wave 2. And then we have a year-end rally in wave 3. Because this is the area where I would then accumulate. Now the other scenario is that, again, alternative scenario that would become very likely below 1650. That scenario is that we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already here, and that we're now just doing an A, overshooting wave B, and we will then come down in a C. It doesn't make a great difference to the imminent scenario. It just means that as long as we can count 3 waves here to the upside, that this scenario is possible, and overshooting wave B could stretch out to 2200 and might eventually be not reach such a high level as the first scenario, as the primary scenario. Yeah. So there's the 2 options here: the more bullish one, where we're actually playing out the wave 5 still, and the less bullish one, where we're in an overshooting wave B, which is very unpredictable. An overshooting wave B can end at any moment. It is very unpredictable, yeah. So keep an eye on that. Be aware that at any point in time this could be over. A good signal for that would be the 1660 level here, that low from the 10th of August. If we go below that level, then I think we are on our way in wave 2. Bear in mind that wave 2 would also play out as an ABC in all likelihood, yeah, ABC. So after the first drop, there should be a counter reaction in a wave B, and then we come down in a C. How strong that counter reaction is depends on if we have a flat pattern where we see a stronger reaction, or if we just have a zigzag where we won't see such a strong reaction. And if we have a flat pattern, yeah, we have something like that where the wave C is very steep. And if we have a zigzag, the wave C is rather less steep. So that's what I'm looking for here. And that's my update about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.